Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are laying the first and second layer of underfelt on all the flat roofs. Let's go. The only thing is, it's going to be quite hard because you've got a tin lid on it. As you can see, I'm sitting down and I'm almost touching it. And if you know how much these things hurt, it's not good if you do that. So I need to be careful under here. And if you're saying, why don't you just take the tin lid off? Well, because if it rains, that's going to be a problem. So we need to try and get 2 layers so it's watertight on here, and then take the tin lid off and then get the final layer on, which will be a charcoal. Here we go. So first stage is cutting the underfelt ready. So we're using an ICO underlay, which is also got a sanded finish to it, which is good. When you heat the underside, which is the bitumen side, and you walk over it, your feet don't get stuck. You can get double-sided, which I don't really like, but this is the best in my opinion. So we're cutting these ready to go across the roof first at 5.3. These are 16 metre lengths, so we're getting 3 bits out of 1. For any of you wondering, that is what it's called.
Yeah, I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me.
That is 1 layer down, complete, and now time for the second layer. And you've got to stagger the joints.
I'm on a mission, yeah. I'm paying dues, yeah. I'm in position, I'm staying up. It's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great.
So that is 2 layers done on the main flat roof. Now onto the dormer roofs. Let's go. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this dormer flat roof. So first step, you need a gas gun, a lighter, a pair of rigger gloves, which are the best for felt, and a trowel. Then what we're going to need to do is measure from our upstand about 4 inch over that edge, so we get a nice fold down. Then we're going to go this way first, as the fur-ins are pushing all the water back into the upstand and going off each end. Those that are going to say, why aren't you using a perforated at the start, which is the hold stuff? You can do that, yes, but for this we're not going to do that. We're going to do a bonded system, that's what it's called. So 2 layers of this underfelt and then the mineral on top. So with this I'm going to go 1 here, 1 that side, and then 1 in the middle. Why I'm doing this is because the joints will be there and there instead of like that, which is a better way to do it. And then after that we're going to crisscross it, so we're going to go that way after with the second layer, and the third layer again the same as the first. On the felt, you have to lap it at least 3 inch. So I've gone over that because it landed on that. The more the better. Let's get this upstanding and then I'll show you how to do the joints. So what I like to do after we've got the first layer down is, I would do this with 2 hands, but trying to film. So I like to heat the joint and then get a trowel. You can use a roller, but I like to use a trowel, and spread along the bitumen just like that, so it completely seals it. Now this is how we're looking. We're going to be getting this strip in first, up the upstand again, so the upstand is double layered. Then we're going to go 1 on top of that, 4 inch lap, and then same again here. And then we are fully bonded for 2 layers. Then we're going to get the tin lid off and get the final layer on.
I'm on a mission, yeah. I'm paying dues, yeah. I'm in position, I'm staying up. It's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing
There we go, that is 2 layers complete. All the joints melted down, ready for the top felt to go on. I'm going to be using a charcoal top felt in a dark grey finish, and it's going to look nice. So that is how you do the first 2 layers of a 3-layer flat roof system.